We don't have to do a whole lot of it, which is why it's taking up a whole lot of screen, is we don't need a whole lot of space to write. We're doing, it's a match 'em up situation. We're figuring out which of these equations match with what we have in the story. So especially when we're looking at things on PSAT tomorrow, because tomorrow's PSAT, you don't have to start from scratch. I didn't give us just a paragraph and had us write it ourselves for a reason. Use the options that are there to help limit your choices. So look at this paragraph and see what we notice. What can we use here? What's something that we notice here? None?
Money.
Oh, money. Yes, we definitely have pieces that are going to be in money. So if we were writing the equations ourselves, I would 100% say, ooh, that's way too skinny for a highlighter. Hang on a second. Okay, better. So we'd have money and money and money, and we would use those to make an equation. I hate that. I want that to be even more bigger. There we go. It's as big as I can make it on this view. Okay, it's less awful, but still not a huge fan. So if we were building our own equation, we would use that. But we don't have to write our own equation. All we need to do is pick out which of these equations work. So if we want to know, or if she wants to earn at least $220 per week, would she be happy making more than that? Or would she want to make less than that? More. So looking at our equations that have the money, so it's the ones that have the 220, which of these options have her earning more than or equal to the 220? So remember, the crocodile eats the bigger one. So if it's going to eat the side that's bigger, which ones would it be? It would be B and D. So we can tell just from the green, from the money statement, that it is not going to be A and it's not going to be C. Because she needs to earn more than $120 per week. This says she earns less. So it's not going to be A, it's not going to be C. So looking at what information we have left and the difference between B and D, what do we notice? What sentence in our paragraph might help us with this?
She can work no more than 20 hours per week.
No more than 20 hours a week. So which of these options says not more than 20? If it's not more than, it's going to be less than. So which option here? B. So you don't have to start from scratch and write your own equation. Can if you want to. If you want to start from scratch, ignore the options at the bottom, write your own equations and see which ones happen to match up, totally fine. Absolutely valid. But if you're not sure where to go, use the equations you have and see if you can eliminate out options. Even if you can only get rid of one or two, it increases your odds of getting it right. There's no penalty for guessing. So don't leave stuff blank. When in doubt, a 1 in 4 odds is better than a 0 in 4 odds. Because if you leave it blank, it's 0 chances you get it right. Okay? Questions on this? Because once I change the page, I can't put the marks back up. All right. So, we have a test coming up on Friday, and we have PSAT tomorrow. So, what's up? Mm-hmm. That would be greater than? Oh, when in doubt, think about the crocodile eats the bigger one. I literally have a friend who works for Rolls-Royce Aerospace Engineering. Literal rocket scientist. Who, I asked her, I was like, do you ever think about the crocodile eating the bigger number? She went, every single time. She's a literal rocket scientist. Just because we learned the tool in 2nd grade does not mean it is not a valid tool. The crocodile eats the bigger number. Okay? So, I was going to say, because I checked with her at one point. Because everyone's like, I didn't think about it like that. That's a baby way to think about it. I let it take a game. No, I have a friend who's a rocket scientist who still thinks about the crocodile eats a bigger number. Okay, so today is your day to work on stuff, catch up on stuff, ask questions, all that jazz. I'm going to pass back all the things I have turned in as of 5th period yesterday. It's all in. Check it. Make sure you got what you needed. Check your scores. I will make sure I get all the homework answer keys up before I pass these back, just so you guys can check your answers. Because remember, I only check the ones that have check marks next to them.
Should we turn in our bell work since we don't have, we're not gonna have bell work tomorrow?
We're not going to have bell work tomorrow because PSAT, I won't even see you guys. And we're not going to have bell work on Friday because it's test. So yeah, you can turn the bell work in today.
Can I have a, never mind.
The review, I've got them over there. Yeah, excellent idea, Abigail. I hadn't even thought about that. What's up?
The review is due Friday, right?
Friday. Yeah, you turn it in right before your test.
Why you talking to me?
I'm going to
We don't
get...
have to lock in.
He was all the way over there. He's all the way over there. I want you to listen up there.
1 second.
Oh my gosh.
That came for the same trick or
Yes.
On his test,
treat.
is
Yeah, I'm here until at least 7 o'clock tonight for that.